southwestern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Front Pass or 10 miles northeast of Mineral, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Glenora, Hartlow, and Gatewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower